Hey everybody, welcome back to Mr. RATTLECAN'S house. I'm James, who wants to play detective. I have pulled the trim off of this window, and I have found this powdery, sawdust-y deposit, which looks like it extends. See if I can get it back there in the back, and then also up along the top. Now this is the first window that I've seen it in, and I'm just curious, what do you think it is? There's a tiny bit of it over here, not much. Like I said, it seems to be mostly in this left side. I pulled a little bit of it off, came off of this apron here. Now this is I don't know if any of this means anything. This is a north-facing window. The piece of wood here, I don't know if that means anything or not. That's just kind of peeling off. Just if it was a guitar and I was building it, I'd say there's a bit of run out right there. But so anyway, now as I kind of look through this stuff, I don't know. Got any ideas? Let me know. I don't see any insect activity. It doesn't mean anything. It just means that I don't see it. So anyways, if you got an idea what that is, let me know. I'm getting ready to clean it up with the vac.